Yes, sir. You see it. I had to make sure I pull off my money from last night. That's the first thing I do every day when I start my shift. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and today we're going to be doing a DoorDash ride along. But you're going to be coming along with me. Now, before we get into it, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to hit that like button and that subscribe button for your boy. And make sure you hit that notification bell too so you don't miss out on any of our adventures. First things first, we got to make sure we prepared. We got our DoorDash bag, boom. Pizza bag ready to go. We got our delivery bag right here. We got our DoorDash app. We already turned it on. So we ready to start accepting and declining orders. Let's see what we get first. All right, so we got our first order. Looks like we're going to be checking in at Papa John's. We got $6.25 for 2.4 miles. Awesome. I got my DoorDash pizza bag ready to go. So I'm ready to get this money. Make sure you get you a DoorDash pizza bag so you can get in that pizza bag program and make that money. Now you also can get you a catering bag on the DoorDash website also. And that also will give you an increased chance of getting into the large order program depending on your market size. Let's go pick up this Papa John's and get these wheels. We got that pizza. We got it in the pizza bag. Now let's go ahead and get it. Remember, as a DoorDash driver, you have the ultimate flexibility to choose the orders which you will and won't accept. So that's the perfect thing. Papa John's dropped off $6.25, stayed $6.25. Very next order DoorDash sent me $10.25, 9 miles. Very far delivery distance. This order would take me outside of my zone. I had to leave it alone. Now I will say this. If I had a Uber Eats order or a Walmart Spark order that I can do in conjunction with this, then I would take it. But I don't have that, so I couldn't take it. But then right after declining that one, I got hit with this one, $5.25, 0.4 of a mile. Now that's some awesome miles to money ratio right there. So that's at Wayne Gang. Shout out to the gang over at Wayne Gang. We finna slide up in there and grab that real quick. I'm here now. Hopefully I can get another one just like this. Less than a mile away, $5. I'll do that 5 times in an hour. $8.25 for 3 miles at Starbucks. Now, this is a good offer and I want to take it, but the Starbucks right there is kind of slow. A lot of college kids in there, they don't really care about how long they take when customer service. So I don't want to take a chance on that order, even though that's a great order. We're going to have to go ahead and let it go. It sucks, but sometimes here go another one. I would normally want to take an order like this, but I can't take a chance at that Starbucks. Next up, we're going to be doing a Walmart Spark order. This one came in at $18.59, if I'm not mistaken, for 7.7 miles. We at Walmart now. Parking lot don't seem too busy. This is how I like to keep my wheels rolling. Those 2 Starbucks offers, even though they was good, I didn't want to take a chance with a long wait time on an order like that. Now, I'm willing to wait a few minutes on an order like this at Walmart Spark. And the best part is I can turn the DoorDash app back on and I can multi-app in whichever direction these 2 Walmart Spark orders are taking me. So that's the beauty of being a multi-apper and working with the DoorDash app. You can get some good orders on some other apps and then use the DoorDash app in conjunction and then hit your goals that way. Our Spark order in the back, and I just accepted my next order, $8.25, going right up the road in the exact same direction as my Walmart Spark order. This one is going to Pizza Hut. We're gonna be picking up a pizza and dropping it off. Now this is exactly what I was just explaining. The beauty of being a multi-apper and taking advantage of orders going in the same direction. Made it to Pizza Hut. We're here to pick up our DoorDash order. Now it's very important that you have your DoorDash bag ready. Sometimes I like to bring mine in. I don't always bring it into the store, but it's nice to go ahead and have it ready, either your DoorDash pizza bag or your DoorDash red bag. We're gonna be using the DoorDash pizza bag today. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that open, have it ready to go, so we can go up in here and grab this pizza for our customer. That pizza, they had that thing ready to go. Now it's time to put it in the hot right now. Let's get that on up in there. Got the first part of that Walmart Spark order dropped off, and I'm right here by McDonald's, and DoorDash hit me with the perfect order. $6.25 for 1.8 miles, and like I said, it's perfect. I'm right here by McDonald's, so I was like, you know what, that's the perfect order, and my second Walmart Spark order is going in that very same direction. This is why I say, guys, look, I say it over and over, and I'm gonna say it again. your best bet is to multi-app. That way you can take advantage and get the best offers on whatever apps you're working on. $6.25 plus on this one for 1 mile. Off Walmart Spark order number 2, $18 for 7 miles on this one. I like the miles to money ratio. I was able to multi-app and make some extra money. Hold on, let's sit that up there. Make sure we sit it up there nicely. There we go. Walmart Spark for the win. Now I'm just hoping DoorDash send me a nice little offer, keep my wheels rolling, and if not, we always. Very next order that DoorDash decided to hit me with after that, I'm picking up my next order now. They hit me with this $10.50 for 6.9 miles. I let that one go. This guy right here, he was here last time I was picking up a Papa John's order. I let that one go. It's a pickup and some shopping. Tip ain't high enough. Just not for me. May work for someone else, not gonna work for me. Then they hit me with this $9.25, 8.3 miles at 54th Street. That's a 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, but I'm looking for something a little bit better than that. Plus, I'm getting blessed with all these great pizza offers right here. Boom, thank you, yes sir. I appreciate that. Throw that in the bag. That was the order I just got sent after that. That one came in at 8.25, 4.1 miles, Papa John's drive-through pizza pickup. Let's get it. And actually, it's not really 4 miles because it's a straight shot down the road, and they sent it to me when I was about 1.5 miles away. So we finna go ahead and pull off now. It is a lot of traffic on the road. All the schools is letting out. You got school buses. Every time you turn on the street, you see a school bus. So that is putting a little bit of extra delivery time on each delivery. But once, you know, the next hour go by and all the kids make it home, the delivery orders are gonna start to increase and the traffic is gonna decrease. So you know, you gotta hit that pizza POV. Dropping off a Papa John's order. This one was really, really small. It fit in the other bag. Didn't need to use the pizza bag for this one. Go ahead and give them that front door service. I think it's at $5.25 for 1 mile, 54th Street. Dropping it off right now. Still within my zone. Got a Lion Choice order and a Chipotle order. The Chipotle order came in first, $7.25 for 4 miles. It was only a $2 tip on that thing. I'm kind of upset about that. But then I got the add-on for Lion Choice, an additional $10.25 for an additional 4 miles. So I said, you know what? That's a $17 run. I'm gonna get it done in a half an hour, no matter what. And it's actually gonna end up being less time than that because I've already got both picked up. The Chipotle dropped off, and now we heading to drop off the Lion's Choice. So we actually gonna be looking at about 15 minutes on both orders, which is great. It's just gonna be a pizza bag kind of night. We got $13.37, 6.4 miles right here at Papa John's. At it again. So you know what? Pizza bag for the win. Let's get it. This order, I think gonna put me at.
I wasn't in no way.
You ain't never. How old are you?
I'm 18, bro.
Yeah, you got a lot to learn. This is the alternative way to spell.
Yeah, that's a weird way to spell that.
Look, I thought so when I heard it the first time too, or when I seen it. This is the alternative way. Alrighty, we got that Papa John's order. Let me go ahead and get this in my pizza bag real quick, and then we're gonna head out. Go in the pizza bag, you go, and we out. On that delivery, guys, it was all highway. We are approaching the delivery destination right now. $13.37 for 6 miles on this one. I did not get an add-on, and I don't expect this one to go up because there was no plus sign, but it is a hand-to-me pizza order, so it's a possibility. But if they tip so much through the app, it's likely that they not gonna have anything for cash, but that's okay.